This is a short preview to show you how to find your students' courses and their grades and the last time they logged in. You will log into your parent or Learning Coach account. You will click on the drop-down menu and find your student's name, and then you will click on Courses. Your students' courses will show up in a list, and you'll be able to find their grade, their progress, if they have any overdue assignments, the last time they visited their course, and their teacher's name, which you can click on the link and it'll give you the contact information of the teacher. You will also find this last login date. Again, this is the login date for their online high school, so not specifically their last attendance. This would tell you when they last logged into the online high school. They do not get attendance unless they've gone into a course or a live session. So you will look out for the last time they visited their course. And they will also need to spend some time in the course doing some kind of work to be able to get that attendance. You can also find their academic advisor's name, which you could click on here, and again, it'll give you the contact information. If you'd like further information about all the other things that are in the Parent and Learning Coach account, you'll want to make sure that you click on the video that is called Learning Coach and Parent Account Overview.